Today, we are pulling back the curtain. In this tutorial, we are not just building slides, we are crafting a seamless visual experience with smart layouts, dynamic transitions, clickable elements, and scroll-stopping animations. If you are tired of bland presentations and want to design like the top 1% of presenters, stay with us. Let's get started. Start by opening your content file. Select the header text and press Ctrl+C to copy. Open PowerPoint. On a blank slide, press Ctrl+V to paste. Double-click the text to select it all. In the font section, choose Poppins. Center align the text and set the font size to 32 point. To highlight keywords, cut the selected text with Ctrl+X. Now, duplicate the text placeholder using Ctrl+Shift and drag it down. Paste the cut text with Ctrl+V and increase the font size to 60 points. Unbold the first placeholder text for contrast. Back to your content file, copy the description and paste it onto the slide. Format it neatly. Go to Insert, Pictures, this device and select the pre-downloaded background image. Stretch and zoom the image to fit the full slide. Right-click the image, go to Format Picture, then under Picture Corrections, set Brightness -20, Contrast 20%. Now, go to Artistic Effects and apply the blur effect. Under Soft Edges, reduce the radius to 2%. Click on Send to Back. Change your text color to white and adjust it to the bottom of the slide for clarity. Next, duplicate your slide using Ctrl+D. Select the text boxes and drag them outside the slide. Crop the image to half and zoom in for a dramatic effect. Reset radius under Format Picture, then reapply blur. Duplicate your title text and bring it back to the top. Align and reduce font size. Insert an oval shape over the image. Fill it with white at 90% transparency. And set the outline to white with a 2-point width. Under Shadow Effects, set Color White, Size 100%, Blur 10%. Copy the next header text and paste it into your slide. Change font and use the eyedropper to pick a background color. Set font size to 28 points. And paste the description below. Duplicate the header and place it below a circle. Make it white, smaller and center aligned. Duplicate both text and circle horizontally using Ctrl+Shift+Drag, then hit F4 to repeat. Group all elements using Ctrl+G, center align and then ungroup using Ctrl+Shift+G. Copy and paste the remaining headers into the circle. Set 75% transparency on all but the first circle and its corresponding text. highlight the active circle using a triangle below it. Copy the format from the circle using Ctrl plus Shift plus C/V. Create 3 duplicate blank slides. On slide 1, select the first circle, press Ctrl plus K. Go to the place in this document. And link to slide 2. Repeat for other circles linking to their respective slides. Now, add icons. For the first circle, insert the GIF icon. For the rest, use PNG. Resize, place, and use F4 to duplicate. For variety, use Change Picture to switch icons as per headers. Apply 80% transparency. Copy top side icons and headers to slide 1 and position outside the slide for later animation. Select all slides with Ctrl plus A and apply the morph transition. In timing, set duration to 1 second. Insert another picture per header. Crop it using a rounded rectangle. And set Fill under crop. Apply wipe animation to the header text. Start with previous and add motion path, line. Set wipe duration to 0.50 seconds, motion path to 2 seconds, and direction from top. Use Animation Painter to apply the same animation to the description. apply fly in to the image from the right with a bounce of 0.61 seconds. Rename layers for all circles and icons in the selection pane for better navigation. Replace old icons circles on slide 1 with updated ones from slide 2. Apply animations from slide 2 to slide 1, Animation Painter. Add tier animation to the description for dramatic effect. Copy content from slide 2 to slide 3 using Ctrl+C/V. Use Format Painter to ensure styling and effects match across all icons and circles. Swap icons format between PNG and GIF to maintain focus. Adjust the Z order by using Bring to Front where necessary. Replace headers and images as per the updated content. Copy triangle indicators from slide 2 and paste them appropriately on all slides between the selected circles. Double-check all navigation links by running the slideshow and clicking the circles. Everything should now be interactive, animated, and presentation ready. What started as a blank canvas is now a full-blown design piece. It's bold, it's interactive, it's unforgettable. Now it's your turn. Put these steps into action and level up your deck. Hit that subscribe button for more design walkthroughs.